In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to continue a stuck ChatGPT response. If ChatGPT stops responding in the middle of an answer, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly with a few simple actions. The key is to stay calm and go step by step so you don't accidentally interrupt a response that was only pausing for a moment. First, wait a few seconds to confirm that the response is really stuck. Sometimes the system may pause briefly, especially if the answer is long or more complex. Giving it a little time helps you avoid stopping a reply that was still in progress. If it becomes clear that nothing else is happening, click Stop Generating if ChatGPT appears to be frozen. This can help reset the current response state and give you control again. Once you've done that, type continue or please continue from where you stopped. In many cases, that's all it takes to get the answer moving again. Keeping your message simple makes it easier for the system to resume without confusion. If the response still does not continue, refresh the page. A quick refresh can fix temporary loading problems or interface glitches. After the page reloads, check whether your conversation is still available, and then try again. It's also a good idea to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make it look like ChatGPT has frozen, when the real issue is that the page is no longer updating properly. If needed, reconnect to your network and retry. If the problem continues, try opening ChatGPT in a new tab or a different browser. This helps rule out browser-specific issues such as a stuck session, extension conflicts, or cached page errors. Sometimes simply switching environments is enough to solve the problem immediately. Another useful fix is to shorten your prompt if the request is too long or complicated. Very large prompts or highly detailed instructions can occasionally cause delays or incomplete responses. Breaking your request into smaller parts can make the conversation smoother and more reliable. And finally, if the current conversation keeps freezing, start a new chat. Sometimes a fresh chat works better than trying to recover one that has become unstable. You can paste a shorter version of your previous request and continue from there. Those are the best ways to recover a stuck ChatGPT response and get back on track quickly.